Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. So, easy step-by-step tutorial. Let me show you how it's done. Alright, so basically what you do is to fold it in half. Next, I'm going to unfold it. Now I'm going to fold the two corners in beneath. Here, now I'm done. Now, I'm going to fold the bent corners into the center. Here it is. Now, it's time to fold it in half again. Now I'm going to fold the wings down. Okay, here it is. Now it's going to be time for a test fly. Okay, now I'm going to fly it in 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? Let's do this again. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and smash that like button. And comment down below. And share this video with all your friends. And remember to hit that notification bell. Bye.